Jack, why are you lying in position? We cover you.
Perfect spot.
No, I mean, you lie down, then me and Tom cover you.
Jack, there. Oh, that's lovely. No, I've got like this now. Careful, though. Yes, that.
You should have left it like it was.
Oh no, move. Like that, Jack. Just stay like that. Yeah. Oh no, David, we need to get into the fight.
Let's go. Look, Jack!
I'll come back in a minute, Jack. Samuel. Oh, I fired my gun. Jack, I can see you quite a bit. Hang on, I got an idea.
Cover Jack up with leaves. Hit! You shooting me? Why? Marshall! I'm so fucking tempted!
Cover. So Jack, I can hardly see you. Only your barrels.
I need a suppressor.
I'm just going to look straight at the bottom. Can't get in the market. Can't get in the market.
Hit! What the fuck did that come from?
You got hit?
Yeah. So that rain hit me pretty badly. No, it came from the front. Jack! Hang on. You're kidding! This is like a good spot. Now, we wait.
HighCap. What? No, you're not.
Tom, what are you doing?
It's building into a cover. Never mind, that's good enough cover for you.
Tom.
What, David? Right, Jack. Yeah, I got it. Jack, you up there, me and David down there. We'll take the fire. You pick them off, okay? Yeah. Oh, lovely branch. David, you cover that way, I'll cover this way.
Which way?
That way.
Right, coming round the right hand side.
Yep, Jack, lay down.
Marshall, how many regens? 10 left. Yeah, 10. Shit.
What?
Branches are in the way, okay?
Right. Jack, I mainly need cover from where David's facing. Need cover from where David's facing. Come on, David, branches are cover.
No, this one, it's getting in the way of where I'll be shooting.
No, I've left it.
It is on.
You've got guys coming around the right hand side and dead ahead of you.
How far to the right?
By the windmill, a bit further across from the windmill.
What side closer? Front or right?
Right.
Tell me there's more people closer to me on the front.
I can't see any at the moment, but I don't know. They've taken the fort in front of you. Well, no, they haven't.
You dick, I nearly opened fire on them.
Jack, that looks so cool.
Tom, do you want to swap back?
What, Tom?
He says he looks so cool. Oh, no, can we swap back? That's my fucking spot.
Hello! I know, but I like this spot more.
And?
Guys around the right hand side.
Very yellow.
Oh, this grass really hurts.
Yeah. Alright.
You alright, Jack, up there?
Sorry, 10 people, man.
You get up.
All 3 of us.
Hey, look. Can at least one of you go around that side? Because we got...
We were waiting there to ambush them. We just got fucking peppered from this side, man.
We got this side covered.
Wait, they've taken the fort in front.
Guy up there.
They got the fort in front.
Huh?
They got the fort in front. Fort's the side going down.
Back in. How many more lives?
4 regens, Jack.
What?
4 more regens.
Oh, fuck!
Tom, we got a modified sniper up there, and we got an actual sniper down there.
2 snipers down there, actually, David.
Really? They're both down there?
Yeah, you see the wood one and the black one.
Oh shit, yeah.
Bigger than an A4 bit of paper. Yeah. What?
Yeah, it's good!
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yes! Yes. I've got it. You run out.
You back in, yeah?
Yeah.
Jack, who's closer, left or right? Say thanks to Tom for me.
Oi, David! Oi, mate! Mate, don't push forward, just stay at that base there, or there. Wait. That guy is now with the other man. We've got so many round here. You've got any trouble, maybe? Well, we've got a guy up there. So, if you want to go up with him, we'll pick people off. Oi, pull back! Pull back!
Side, left hand side.
How close?
Either on that base in the middle where that guy is there. Right, you can stay here. You follow me. Oi, stay there, okay? You've got quite good cover.
Look at Tom giving all the commands.
Okay, look. That black one there, is the black left one? Yeah. Or that one right there? Oh, this one you can get there and there. What? Let's not use it around. What? So, take him out.
Jack, how far are they to the right?
David, you look that way.
Oh, bloody hell, it's yellow.
Oi, mate,
They're close, they are to the front.
look to the black barrel.
What'd you say?
They are not as close as they are to the front.
Here we come.
It's a beast of a gun.
Jack, I think you're going to be last alive.
Which direction?
Your direction, David.
No, it's me.
Straight ahead, David, go to your direction. Still hit.
Got one. Jack, did you see the kid with the pistol?
You're right. You need any more people over there? Careful, there's some guys on the roof, I see them. You reckon you can run over to the other?
Jack, get the guy on top of the ridge. Jack, move back a bit.
I found the wagon.
only need one shot, Adrian.
Ah, bollocks. In the sun, man.
That's the guy that screwed it up, bro.
Hand hits are not good.
Yeah, no gloves.
I killed loads of people. Trying to save your ass, now I got shot for shit. I didn't get that many
I got quite a bit.
No, you're in a good cover then. I fucking know that they saw me. I know. They saw my gun, they saw the suppressor.
I had loads of them. My gun just stopped firing.
I'm going to
I could have got that guy.
Yeah, don't waste the pellets. My pellets. My pellets, actually.